Hello fellow scratchers, this is part 1 on how to make a clicker game in Scratch. I named it Coin Tycoon because it looks like a coin tycoon only, because in so much games they name as Coin Tycoon anything. Okay, so in this series we are going to make a clicker game. When we will click, we will get cash and it will show coins per second. Let me see, I named it correctly. You can see the code here. Okay, let me remove this sprite. Don't mind if something is wrong, because we will hide this and we will just leave the cash sign there. Okay, so you can see whenever we press, we will get one cash. Okay, but the cost of each is $100, $800 and $500. Yes, I've made it more expensive because you can see cost per second equals to 1000, because I'll leave it like this only because when we will click on something, then it will only give. Now if we will click now, it will not give. I can show you. Just wait. I will just click on it. Okay, 100 times. Yes, it's going to get 100. You will see that yes, 100 cash. You can see that it's moving to 20 per second. See, it's going. So let's get started. First, I will go to my files. I just save it and go to, and make a new project. It's creating. I full screen that it will look good. What happened? I reload. Okay, I'll just full screen from here where it is showing. Yes, done. Okay, now in this first we have to name the cat sprite as coin clicker. This is the sprite. Whenever we click, it will give cash. Okay, go to the costume of the sprite. I delete the second costume of the sprite, and the first costume of the sprite I will delete from the button here. Okay, now I'll just make a circle with an outline of 10 color black, fill it with color yellow. Yes, wait, make it little bit more saturation. Okay, now I press shift and make a circle that it will look great. Okay, I will put it here and just zoom out a little bit and again press add for making a proper circle. Yes, this is looking good now. Name it clicker. Before that, I will name my project as Coin Tycoon. You can name it as Coin Clicker Game or anything. Okay. Oh, I just forgot. In the costumes, I'll put a text of $sign that people can understand that it is a clicker game. Coin, it's a coin. Text here and put it a $sign you want, and you can put any currency of sign and make it blue, that it will look little bit blue on good on this color, and just center this also. Yes, now we need a new cash variable that whenever we press it, it will give us cash. So in the starting, go to events, take when green flag clicked. You will see that I have cat blocks because I took Scratch add-ons. You can see with this Okay, patches dev tools, you can see here it's showing my mouse pointer in Scratch 3 and I can search anything and take it easily. Okay, when green flag clicked, go to motions, go to 00, means here where I kept these sprites. You can see the X and Y of these coin clicker sprite or is the coin. You will see the X and Y position are here in the after the sprite clicker. Okay, now go to variables. You just delete the my variable if you don't want. You can rename it also if you want. I'll name the new variable name cache and put it for all sprites. Before that, when green flag click, take a set cache to 0. That the cache will be on 0, not in another number. Okay, after that go to go to controls, take a forever loop. Okay, after the forever loop, take a if then block. Inside the if then block, take a touching mouse pointer and mouse down motion block in the sensing category and go to the operators, take a AND block and put the touching mouse pointer and mouse down blocks inside on the AND block, both sides. Okay, nothing will happen now because we only put it what will happen inside. We see I'm clicking and you can see my sound also. Nothing is happening. Okay, now if then touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then take a wait 0.2 seconds and change cache by 1. Now if you see, our cache is changing 1 if we press on the coin sprite or coin clicker sprite. But you will see if we press 1 time on it, you will see our cache is going rapidly fast. Yes, that's the problem. For that, go to controls, take a wait until small block, not repeat until, wait until take a AND block, take a touching mouse pointer. Oh sorry, before that, go to operators, take a NOT block and drag all of the touching mouse pointer and AND block inside it and keep it on the wait until block, and inside after the touching mouse pointer and take a mouse down and keep it above the wait 0.2 seconds. Now if you see, it's not going rapidly fast. It's 0 only. We have to click so much times. You can see. I click 1 time, it's not changing. Oh, I right click it. You will see. Nothing is being changed. Only when I press it, it changes by 1. That's good. But if you want animation on this sprite, it's easy. Before that, go to looks, take a change size by -20. After that, take if then block again, put it inside the forever loop but below the if touching mouse pointer and mouse down then block. Okay, take a if then take a NOT block, not take and block also. Same how did we for wait until block here. Take touching mouse pointer and mouse down. Then go to looks. Take change size by 20. Now if you see, oh my god, that's rapidly. Because we put it a change size by, we need to set 100% when it, if not touching mouse pointer, and change size by -20 and put it set size to 80, because if we minus 100 from 20 minus 100 is 80, then put a set size to 80 below the change cache by 1. Now if you see, nothing, yes, is going down and doing. This is a little big animation, so let me change it by 85. Now it will look more oh, I paused it. Yes, but it's going slow. For that, change wait 0.2 seconds from 0.01 or else to only 2 seconds. Only add another 0. But it's not changing because 0.02 seconds is fast. For that, take us 0.1 seconds. That's the best seconds. But you will see the animation is not there. So just keep it for 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Yes, animation is 10 now. This is only good for now. I will change cache by right clicking it and put it in the large readout that it will look good. Keep it on the upper area of the coin clicker or coin sprite. Okay, it's looking good now. I will go to the backdrops and just I'll convert it to bitmap and fill it with color blue. I'll put it light blue. Yes. Okay, and I will convert it to vector and just make, okay, I will just make a square, fill it with color green. I'll make it like it will look as cache, like here, and I'll zoom in and just add a text and put it in black color and name it. I'll put it as a $sign and just move this $sign here and make it a little bit more bigger. Okay, it's looking good now. First I will move the background a little bit down and select both of them and press shift and make it big. Yes. Now we can again put our backdrop up and little bit here. Wait a second. It's not coming in the back. I just fill it here that it will come in the back. Yes. Now let me move this. I press shift and select this also and just move it here. Yes, now it's looking like a $sign. Okay, I don't know what's the time, but I can tell that it is looking good. I just tell what is the time. Okay. Now, this much for today. I'll meet you in the next part of this series. I will just end this video for now. Okay guys, bye. Meet you in the next part.